iCulture, the most cultured.
Unit 29, it's culture time. From land to sea, the incredible evolution of whales. Whales are some of the biggest animals on our planet. The blue whale can grow longer than a basketball court, but millions of years ago, the ancestors of whales did not live in the ocean at all. They lived on land and walked on four legs. This is the story of how whales evolved from a small land animal into the giants of the sea. About 48 million years ago, a small animal called Indochus lived near rivers and lakes in what is now South Asia. It looked similar to a small deer, with four thin legs and a long tail, and it probably ate plants near the water. Scientists believe Indochus spent a lot of time in water, perhaps to hide from predators or to find food. Its bones were heavier than the bones of other land animals at that time, and heavy bones helped it stay underwater more easily, like the bones of hippos today. This was the first step toward life in the water. Over millions of years, the relatives of Indochus changed slowly. One important ancestor was Pachycetus, an animal that lived about 50 million years ago. It still had four legs and looked like a land animal, but its ears were already changing to hear better underwater. Later, Ambulocetus appeared, a name that means walking whale. It had strong legs for swimming and probably hunted like a crocodile near the water. Step by step, these animals spent more time in water and less time on land. As millions of years passed, the bodies of these animals changed more and more. Their front legs slowly became flippers, while their back legs became smaller until they almost disappeared. Their tails grew wider and stronger, perfect for pushing through water. Another big change happened with the nose. In land animals, it sits at the front of the face, but in whale ancestors, it moved up and back, little by little, until it became the blowhole we see on top of a whale's head today. This let whales breathe easily at the surface without lifting their whole head out of the water. After many millions of years of slow change, modern whales appeared. Today, there are two main groups: baleen whales, like the blue whale, and the humpback whale, which filter tiny food from the water, and toothed whales, like dolphins and orcas, which hunt fish. Even though whales live completely in water now, their bodies still carry secrets from the past. Inside a whale's body, scientists can find small hidden bones, the last remains of the legs their ancestors used to walk on land. The story of whale evolution shows us something powerful. Life on Earth can change in amazing ways over long periods of time. A small land animal walking near rivers eventually became one of the largest creatures the world has ever known. And every time we see a whale today, we are looking at millions of years of transformation.